You asked, how to divide 8458 by 7 using the long division method. 8 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Bring down 4, making 14. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. 14 minus 14 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 7 equals 0. 0 times 7 equals 0. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Bring down 8, making 58. 58 divided by 7 equals 8. 8 times 7 equals 56. 58 minus 56 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 1208 remainder 2.